Utari wa andu mwaka uyu urahuthira mitambo ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu iria ithondekeirwo university-ini cia JKUAT na Moi Eldoret iria ikahuthirwo kwandika na gutuma uhoro ukwigie. Thirikari ikirira a Kenya ati mitambo eno iri na ugitiri uria ufatie.
We have ensured that we have several security measures that we have put in place to ensure that all the information that we collect is not only stored in a secure place, but we have full redundancy.
Minister Joe Mucheru, Fred Matiang'i na Ukur Yatani makirira bururi ati mehariria ma mihango eno ni mariku.
I wish to inform the public that the government of Kenya, through the National Bureau of Statistics, has completed all preparatory activities for the 2019 Kenya Population and Housing Census. Is all systems go.
Ona ugitiri wa mitambo eno aria magatarana hamwe na ugitiri wa a Kenya ni urumitio, thirikari ikiruta mukana mururu kuri aria mari na methugunda ma gugathagathagia mihango eno. Minister Matiang'i augite bata munene wa kuruta watho wa kuhinga irabu ti kuherithia aria mendete mucuba.
We are not being insensitive, but we are also not going to revise the hours. You can go have your drink between 2 and 5 o'clock.
Indi ni gutigirira ati mihango eno ya utari wa andu ndinahingwo ni kindu ona kimwe.
So sorry for the inconvenience, but please bear in mind that it's only this once in 10 years.
Utari uyu ugatabanio Jumamothi kuma thinashara cia hwaini kinyagia rucine na uthii na mbere kinyagia muthia wa mweri. Uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu niguo undu uria thirikari irehoka ati ni ukamihe ithabu rina uma rigie mukenya hindi ya utari wa andu uria ukanjiriria Jumamothi hwaini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku Nairobi njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.